go.
Let's go. You can make a fireball out of a paint can, a little black powder, a little bit of hobby fuse, and a lot of non-dairy coffee creamer. What you need to do is get a paint can. Alright, here's the paint can. This is garbage. No longer needed. This is now garbage. That's all you need. Oh, that's beautiful. There is no edge on there. Yay, no cutting. The next thing you need is to drill a hole. Yes, my garage is very clean. No, it's not. Safety first, right? Okay. Right near the bottom. That's it. Can's ready to go. Get my handy dandy baby safety scissors. I did say about, right? I wonder why my garage is so clean. Woohoo! That's nice. Okay, so I use a lid to get a round-ish piece of paper. Now we need black powder. Put the gunpowder in. I didn't put this whole thing in there. It was almost empty. See the fuse sticking in there? It's enough to cover the bottom. Probably use a little more than that actually. Got a good amount on there. Now I take the handy dandy piece of paper and now creamer. The best way to do it with a sifter. Because I did this in the garage, and then I'm going to take it outside, get it all set up, and then light it off. To give you an idea of how much non-dairy creamer we put in there, there you go.
Whoa! Whoa!
That's it. Be safe. Bye-bye.